All right, the next one is fan favorite, Kochigari to Ouchigari. Let me show you a little trick on this one. All right, so Kochi, we'll do it with movement as I'm stepping back and forth. I'm gonna cast the leg here, right? But when I cast that leg, watch this. I'm gonna automatically switch to the Ouchigari. So come here, here, here. It's gonna go wah wah like this, wah wah. Like, see that? So it's kind of like bam, as soon as I hit the leg, I just chop it back. My foot does not even touch the ground. It goes this way, this way. So my hips actually swivel, whoosh, whoosh, like this. Just whoosh, whoosh, like that. Boom, boom. Okay, it's super fast, super effective. Here. See that? It's just wah wah. It's like a whip. Boom! Give that a shot. Kochigari, Ouchigari. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Comment below. I'll see you in the next video.